Hi guys, hope you all are keeping well. In this video, I'm going to take you guys through in detail about how ZYNG AI can help you in batch editing a range of different types of images, whether it's aware cropping, whether it's anything related to background removal, face retouch, model swapping, creating different backgrounds, subject aware painting. We're able to kind of do that in a simple process by uploading a sample image, designing a workflow depending on the functions, configure the settings, and downloading the results. We actually have a model which has the ability to see, which is aware, and how it is able to kind of identify and edit all of these objects. So we will quickly get started. As soon as you get started, you can log in. I already have an account, so it's going to bring me to my team workflows. It's going to show me my template workflows as well, and it's going to show me my workflows as well. So let's say I open up my workflows, and I'm going to give you an idea of what kind of workflows are there. So for different types of platforms, we have generated backgrounds, cropped to specific parts, keeping the image guidelines in place. So let's take, for example, if we want to kind of process a lot of images for a fashion brand, and the fashion brand would have tons of different shots, and we want to, let's say, focus on being able to get a bottom crop, being able to get a top crop, being able to get a main image where we have the background removed. So let's do a combination of these. So I'm going to quickly open up this workflow and then see that there's an input image here. There's a crop body part. As soon as I open the crop body part function, I'm able to see that, okay, I'm cropping from the left hip, I'm cropping from the top. So that is what is happening, and hence I'm getting such an image. And then I'm going ahead and using subject focus to kind of bring it to my actual Amazon or Walmart or Flipkart kind of image dimension there. I also have the relevant tags here that kind of help me know what this workflow is all about. Once I do that, I am kind of able to actually run a batch process. Let's say I want to edit hundreds of images and get like this bottom framing for the bottom part. So I'm going to upload a range of images. Let's say I want to select some images from my demo images. I'm going to quickly go to this one, and let's say I'm going to select 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wherever we basically have a bottom part so that we know how this is actually going to work out. Open and start the batch process. So here the idea is every image should crop from the hip, as we mentioned here, from the left hip, and it should go ahead and focus on the subject and give us that image in a 2000 by 2000 dimension. So in no time, we actually have processed all the images. I'm going to quickly click on the I button. Let all of the images quickly generate and see how in no time we've actually been able to crop everyone from the hip and subject focus on the bottom in the same standard way. So regardless of the different type of image that we had, we were able to do this very well. Now let's do the same thing for the top in this case. So I'm going to quickly open up all of these workflows, and let's select the top focus one. Here again, we are cropping by the body part, which in this case is the left hip, but we're cropping from the bottom instead of cropping from the top. So if we were cropping from the top, it would be cropping this way, but we are cropping from the bottom. So it kind of gives you a clear understanding of how you are cropping by selecting one of the presets or also choosing any of the workflow functions that exist here. The idea is that you have individual steps and you're able to kind of process the images. Again, I'm going to run the batch process. Let's select the same images. And this is the beauty where you're able to kind of sort out images and run images for specific workflows. So in this case, I have all the images where they are the full body is available. So I know I can crop from the bottom, I can crop from the top, I can crop from different parts as well. So I think our workflow is already run. We have our top focus images now with the focus on the top part without actually getting rid of any of the details, while keeping a standard kind of focus on the product and a standard output dimension as well. And what I have also been able to do in this process, I'll quickly show you, is in the output settings. Where we have it at JPEG, we've been able to customize the DPI, optimize the file size, and do all of this within one workflow. So you're either able to create a workflow by yourself, you're able to use one of our existing workflows as well, and you're able to kind of quickly get all of these context aware results within your outputs. So that's the beauty of how you can work with Zing, and how it is going to help you in the process of getting the best kind of outputs in the least amount of time. Thank you so much.